Bonjour à tous! Let's have a look at the French verb venir, which means to come. Venir. So, let's have a look at the subject pronouns first. For saying I, we say je. For saying you in informal way, we say tu. For saying he, we say il. For she, it's elle. For saying we in the spoken French or in the informal way, we say on. For saying vous, we say nous in the formal way or in the written French. For saying they, we use il for the masculine plural, and for they, the feminine part, it is elle. So once again, it is je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elle. So now the verb that we are going to talk about today, that is venir, that is to come. So it basically means like I come, you come, he comes, she come, we come. So it can be something like the belonging part. For example, like I come from India. That means I am Indian. I am from India. Alright. So it can either mean that, or it can mean something like I am coming from the shop, I am coming from the school. So coming from somewhere or belonging from somewhere. For these two things, we are going to use the conjugation of the verb venir. So the conjugation in the je form is je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, on vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, and elles viennent. Once again, repeat after me. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, on vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. Très bien. Now let's go through few of the examples. I am from China. Alright, so this means that the person is coming from China, in the sense their nationality is Chinese. So that's going to be Je viens de Chine. You are from Japan. It's going to be Tu viens du Japon. He is from India. Il vient d'Inde. She is from Russia. Elle vient de Russie. We are from Italy. On vient de Italie. We are from Mexico. Nous venons du Mexique. You are coming from Canada. So this is like the person is physically coming from some place. So you are coming from Canada will be Vous venez du Canada. They are coming from the shop. Ils viennent de la boutique. They are coming from the school. Elles viennent de l'école. Très bien. I hope this topic is clear with you. If it is, then I would like to see a sentence made by you using the verb venir in the comment box below. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!